How to attack bunny in Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can attack the bunny and run from it. Simply, you must have a stone first. Now simply tap and aim to the bunny, and as you can see, I have just hit the bunny. Now you can run or escape into different rooms. So you can simply collect bricks first and then start running into different rooms and hide from bunny. So this is only the way that you can find or even confuse the bunny. So there will be some seconds that it will take in order to hide from it, and you can escape the room easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.